Plans to rig Ondo election won't work, Ajayi. Caution Governors Forum DG, APC Chieftain, warns Malabuni. Hello and welcome back to Biafra Broadcast 247, a channel that is always committed to supplying you legit information as it pertains to happenings around the world. If you've not been receiving notifications about our videos, that's basically because you are yet to subscribe to this wonderful channel, and you can actually do that in 2 seconds. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. That way, you will always be the first to get a notification anytime we upload a new video. And having done that, let's get straight into today's update. Plans to rig Ondo election won't work, Ajayi. The Deputy Governor of Ondo State, Abuala Ajayi, has formally announced his defection from the People's Democratic Party to the Zenith Labour Party, ZLP. Ajayi disclosed this development on Friday at the ZLP Secretariat in Akure, the state capital. The Ondo State Deputy Governor was welcomed by the party's leadership and faithful from the 18 local government areas of the state. Ajayi, following his defection to ZLP, has been adopted as the candidate of the party for the forthcoming governorship election in October. According to Ajayi, contesting under ZLP is to change the political narrative of the state. He further stated that there will be no room to rig the forthcoming election. He said, "I can assure you that nothing will happen on the election day. We all own this state. We have joined this party to change the narrative. We are going to make a change in Ondo State. They will want to rig the election, but what they are planning to do is not going to work. It is obvious that the affirmation of Governor Akeredolu as the candidate of the APC, coupled with the seeming failure of the PDP to produce a dependable and formidable alternative, has dampened the democratic enthusiasm and morale of the people. To stir up and rechannel the energy of the progressive electorate, I am teaming up with the members of the ZLP, a chunk of most of the other members, and my teaming allies from both the PDP and APC." The state chairman of the party, Joseph Akinlaja, while welcoming the factors, noted that Ajayi is the candidate of the party in the October 10 governorship election in the state. He urged the factors to go to their various wards and local governments to work for the party and its candidates. Caution Governors Forum DG, APC Chieftain, warns Malabuni. The chairman, caretaker committee of the APC, Mai Malabuni, has been asked to caution the APC's Governors Forum Director General, Dr. Salihu Lukman. Recall that Lukman had accused former national chairman of the APC, Adams Oshomole, of hijacking the campaign structure of the APC governorship candidate in Edo. It would be recalled that the APC Governors Forum Director General had in recent statement titled "Which Way APC" claimed that Oshomole had hijacked Osagie Ije Iyamu's campaign. Lukman raised the alarm over what he described as the diminishing electoral value of the party. He also raised alarm over the plan by some members of the APC to return Oshomole as party chairman. According to the DG of Progressive Governors Forum, he noted that with the happenings in Edo State, the ruling party is not ready for the electoral process in Edo State. Speaking to newsmen on Friday, APC chieftain in Edo, Bright Obarogie, said Lukman's intent and purpose were not for the good of the people. He urged the Yobe governor to call Lukman to order, NAN reports. Obarogie said, what Oshomole has succeeded doing since the beginning of the campaign for the Edo pool was to have placed APC in a position as the party to beat the election. He pointed out that Oshomole had added Bai to the campaign and united all the party faithful in the quest to take back the state. The working relationship between Oshomole and Ije Iyamu, the party's candidate, and indeed the entire APC campaign team has never been this smooth. We are all united and working harmoniously to win and win big for our party, Obarogie said. Plans to rig Ondo election won't work, Ajayi. Caution Governors Forum DG, APC Chieftain wants Malabuni. And with that, we'll come to the end of this very podcast. Leave us a comment below. Let us know what your opinions are. Let us know what your thoughts are. Let us know your ideas concerning this post. Remember that Biafra Broadcast 247 is a channel that is always committed to supply you legit information as it pertains to happenings around the world. If you're yet to subscribe, go on and click on that subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon, and that way you'll always be the first to get an update anytime we upload a new video. See you next time.